We've arrived at Clark Fork Drift Yard, operated by the Idaho Department of Fish and Game. You can camp here for free for up to 3 nights. Let me show you around. There is a boat ramp on site. It's a pretty nice facility they have here at the Clark Fork River Drift Yard. The access road is big rig friendly. Let me show you the camping area. Right next to the boat ramp, they have a portable toilet, and it is serviceable. This is the access road coming into the recreation site. Like I said, you can get a big rig out here. There are pull-offs, multiple pull-offs between here and the highway. This is the last pull-off before you get to the free camping area, and right behind me is Lake Oreille. Dead ahead is that boat ramp where the portable toilet is, and they have this huge parking lot. I would say it's more geared for parking your boat trailer. Very large parking lot, and they have both an in and an out for the 3-day free camping area. That's one entrance exit, and then there's another one at the end of the parking lot that goes back in there where you see the RVs. I'm going to take you back in there now. This is the access road that leads to the 3-day free camping area. Let's go check it out. It is aesthetically pleasing. Here's a large semicircle. It has a tent in it right now, but you could get an RV in there. Pretty much any size RV in that semicircle. And as you continue into the camping area, you have multiple different places where you can put your camper. Let me walk you up and show you around. Well, there's a nice campsite right there. And look at that view. Wow. And the road leads to this green area where you can get multiple RVs in here. There's still room for some more. Looks like this is a group camping in here. This will give you a good idea what you're looking at if you decide to come out to Clark Fork Drift Yard to enjoy the scenery out here. You do have cell service. I told you there was an in and an out. There's 2 entrances. That's the way I walked in and came through the gate. There's another gate at the opposite end, and that road right here will take you out to yet another gate. Wow, that water is crystal clear. I'll have the grid coordinates for this free camping location in the written video description on YouTube. I'll also have the upload and download speeds for Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile in the written video description as well. If you like these videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you down the road.